Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Ame. So today we are documenting our Cebu trip. So ang first stop namin is Magellan's Cross, which is nilakad lang namin from our hotel, which is One Central Hotel, located siya sa Santiago Street, which is malapit sa Colon Street, kung saan ako nagstay last February because I've been here in Cebu for 3 times already na, and yung second time is for work, and yung first time is layover lang namin. And today nandito kami sa Basilica and we went to Fort San Pedro, and ang init dito sa Fort San Pedro. We wish you. So at night we went to Tops Cebu, which is siyempre lang kami from Cebu IT Park ng Tops shuttle bus, which is 200 pesos lang back and forth na yun. Kasama na yung entrance. And of course, maraming tao papunta namin sa very end. So this is our second day trip, and we went to Maalboal, and we went here for free dive. Umalis kami ng hotel mga 4 AM na, and nakadating kami sa Maalboal mga 7 AM na kasi nag-breakfast, nag-stopover pa at nag-breakfast pa kami. So nag-free dive kami sa Maalboal because this is our bucket list talaga na mag-free dive. Kahit medyo hindi kami marunong mag-free dive, mabuti naman kasi nga may safety naman na nagtuturo sa amin. So nag-try kami mag-free dive. This is actually our first time na mag-free dive. So dahil this is our first time na mag-free dive, masakit talaga siya sa tenga. So dapat marunong ka talaga mag-equalize papunta sa underwater. It was a fun experience na mag-free dive kahit hindi kami medyo marunong mag-free dive. And ang ganda ng Maalboa kasi makikita talaga namin yung mga sardines at saka yung sea turtles. At dahil kami nag-canyoneering, kumain na kami dito at nag-wait muna sa driver na bumalik para sunduin kami. After namin kumain, pumunta kami sa Kawasan Falls. And as you can see, ang dami talagang tao dito. So, nag-try pa ng slow-mo. Nag-slow-mo pa talaga. And after check-out, last nito namin, pumunta muna kami ng Indilupa bago pumunta sa airport.